Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Najwa Aisyah from 11 Science 1. Today, I would like to tell you about floods. Flooding is a disaster that is very common in big cities that are densely populated. In Indonesia, floods occur very frequently and hit the city of Jakarta, and often claim many victims. Then, do you know how the flood process occurs? The process of natural flooding can be started with rain falling to the surface of the earth. Furthermore, the rainwater enters the ground and flows to a lower place. After that, there is evaporation, and then the water comes out of the surface of the land. Floods that occur naturally can be disaster for humans. When floods hit their dwellings because of the flood that drag objects, houses, bridges, furniture, and even humans. In addition, the process of non-natural flooding can usually be caused due to bad habits of humans who do not care about environment, such as throwing trash out of place, causing the water flow to become blocked. This can cause of the water to be stored in a landfill that is getting more and more. When the water reservoir is no longer able to hold the water discharge, then the water will overflow out of the land and cause flooding. So, the occurrence of flooding is caused by two things, natural and non-natural. The natural process is caused by very heavy rain, while the non-natural process occurs because of human activity itself. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.